Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are going to look how we can connect your account to Japan on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option. On the bottom right corner we can see the me option right there. Just tap on it. So here we can see the manage marketplaces option. Just tap on the manage marketplaces option. So after reaching here, we just need to tap on the add more option. We can see the add more options on the top right corner. Just tap on the add more option, and here we can see the Japan right there. Just choose the Japan right here. After choosing the Japan, just tap on the next option. So when we tap on it here, we need to fill the email or your mobile number right here for signing on the Amazon Seller Center. After doing that, we can just connect your account to Japan. So this is how you're gonna connect your account to Japan on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.